Runny nose, headache, congestion, body aches will be gone. 6 time-tested ingredients and a 1-minute solution for cold and cough. Simple home remedies that has cured thousands of my patients. Hello and welcome to eBlosis. Cold and cough can disrupt your day, leaving you with a runny nose, headache, congestion, body aches, and sometimes even fever. So instead of juggling with separate remedies, let's dive into single solution that tackles both issues effectively. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. In this video, we'll talk about our powerful CC Tea and some lifestyle tips to boost your recovery. So when I say CC Tea, it is for cold and cough. But before that, let's understand Ayurveda's perspective on the issue. Cold and cough are caused by imbalance of kapha and vata dosha. Kapha dosha, when it's imbalanced, leads to congestion, coldness, and mucus buildup. And when vata dosha is imbalanced, it weakens digestion, appetite, and make your agni erratic, and it slows down the recovery. So Ayurveda emphasizes the remedies that balance these dosha, strengthen your immunity, and restore overall health. And if you are interested in discovering your unique body type, that is your Prakriti, your Ayurveda body type, you want to identify what is the current state of imbalanced dosha in your body, as well as you want to assess the level of toxicity, that is ama in your body, and your digestive fire, that is agni level, we offer a personalized Ayurvedic report. A link to a form is provided in the description. Simply answer a few questions to gain valuable insight into your health and wellness. So coming back to our cough and cold solution, so CC Tea recipe, your go-to-go remedy. All you need are 6 Ayurvedic ingredients that are easily available to create this herbal infuser. This Ayurvedic elixir will not only clear congestion, but it will also strengthen your lungs, boost immunity, tackle cough and cold at their root while rejuvenating your body and mind. First among the ingredient is holy basil, Tulsi. It is rich in compounds like eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and apigenin, exhibits immunomodulatory and antioxidant activities, contributing to Tulsi's multifaceted health benefits. It is best antiviral, respiratory tonic, reduces congestion, and boosts immunity. Ayurveda says its nature or bioenergies are lagu, roksh, kapha, vinashini. What does it mean? It means it's dry, light, and reduces kapha, and it is best for curing vata, kapha, shwasa, kasa, and hika. That means cough, cold, and hiccups, etc. Second is Pippali, that is long pepper. This is rich in piperine, piper longumine, and other compounds extracted from piper longum. It breaks down mucus, aids digestion, and balance vata. If you are not able to find Pippali, you can use black pepper. Ayurveda says it's Katu and Deepni, that is pungent and digestive in nature, and it is Hanti, Shwasa, Kasa, Udra, Jwara. That means it has ability to cure breathlessness, cough, digestive problems, and fever. Third is cinnamon. Cinnamon contains a variety of chemical constituents, including cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, essential oils. It alleviates congestion and improves digestion. Ayurveda quotes Kantha Vaktar Rucha Hanti Shiro Hriday Vasti Shodhanam. That is, it's best for throat irritation, sore throat, cough, and clean and detox head area. The fourth ingredient is grated ginger. The essential oil extracted from Zingiber officinale rhizome exhibit a distinct chemical composition. Notable components include gingiberine 11.7%, beta-bisabolene 11.2%, and cadena 1,4-diene 12.5%. Ginger, with its bioenergies, Katu Ushnatikshan, that is pungent, warming, and sharp properties, and helps in Shofa, Kapha, Kant, Vishodhani, Kas, Shwasahara, that is reduces swelling, congestion, soothes sore throats, and alleviates cough, cold, breathlessness, and body aches. Number 5 is cardamom. Cardamom oil contains alpha-terpineol, myrcene, limonene, and menthanol, and also beta-phenylene, 1,8-cineol, sabenine, and heptane, offering diverse aromatic properties. It clears mucus and enhances respiratory health. So Ayurveda quotes that Ela means cardamom is Kapha, Shwasa, Kasa, Arsho, Mutra, Krich, Anti, which means Ela is helpful in subsiding kapha, respiratory disorder. Number 6 is honey, soothes throat and acts as antimicrobial. According to Acharya Sushruta, honey is Varnya, Swarnya, Lagu, Kashaya Anurasa, Sukumar Leham. And Ayurveda also quotes honey as Pit, Shleshma, Medo, Meha, Hikka, Shwasa, Kasa. That is, honey reduces Pitta and kapha, helpful in treating hiccups, cough, and respiratory disorders. Now, what you need to do is take Tulsi, that is holy basil, 1 teaspoon, Pippali, that is piper longan, 1/4 teaspoon, or black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, grated ginger, 2 teaspoon, cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon, cardamom seeds of 3 to 4 pods, honey, 2 teaspoon, water, 200 ml. Number 1, add water to the pan. Number 2, add all ingredients except honey. Number 3, boil until the water reduces to half, that is 100 ml. Number 4, strain, let it cool down slightly and mix in honey. Drink 2 to 3 times daily for relief from cold and cough. Give this a try today and feel the relief from very first intake. In addition to this 1-minute solution, there are a few other simple steps you can take to speed up your recovery from cold and cough even faster, and that's what I recommend my patients to have a speedier recovery. So additional recommendations that you can also follow is, first, warm water feet dip. Yes, soaking your feet in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes helps improve circulation. It reduces congestion and coldness and balances the Vata dosha. Number 2 for faster recovery is drinking warm water. Sip warm water throughout the day to keep the throat moist, flush out toxins and balance kapha dosha, and avoid specifically cold or chilled water. So number 3 is a steam inhalation. So this one is my personal favorite. So you can also use very effective technique for steam inhalation. So to prepare a steam solution, all you need is 1/2 teaspoon of a camphor, a few eucalyptus leaves, boil in the water, then turn off the heat. Now inhale the steam for 1 to 2 minutes, covering your head with a towel. This is very effective. This clears nasal congestion, soothes the respiratory tract, pacifies the kapha. So make sure you don't expose yourself to cold immediately after taking steam. So number 4 is avoid certain foods. Steer clear of sticky and mucus forming foods such as cheese, curd, yogurt, banana, fried or olive foods, because these aggravate kapha and worsen the symptoms of cold and cough. Now that you know these powerful tricks, you can easily cure your cough and cold at home. Remember, the power of Ayurveda lies in nature's simplicity. And with these time-tested ingredients and my clinical experience and time-tested formulations, you can tackle your cold and cough from the root. So if you found these solutions helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Ayurvedic tips and natural healing remedies. For personalized advice, follow us on eBlosis and stay tuned for more health transforming videos. I will be seeing you in the next video. Till the time, lots of love to the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.